Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Let us now learn some more commands and tools of AutoCAD. The first tool that we will learn is leader. The command for leader is LE, and we can get it from the leader tool from annotation tool. It will also get multi-leader, add leader, remove leader and other options. Here we will select the multi-leader option. By clicking on it, if we will select any of the object and will drag it, then the leader will get dragged. From there we will write leader text, and once we are done, press enter or click outside. This is how we can write any directional message for an object using this facility. The next facility that we will learn is table. In annotation, we have table tool, which will create an empty table object. As we know, table is the collection of rows and columns. We will find this window of insert table when we will click there on the table. There we can specify the number of columns we want. Let us specify it by 2, and then specify number of rows and we'll take it 3. The first row cell style would be title, the second row cell style will be header, and then for all other row cell styles we'll keep to data. We can set the table style dialogs by clicking on this, but we can set table style by clicking on this button. It will open a dialog box, and then if we want to modify it, we will click on modify. Here we can specify the tool. Here we can specify the text and then the text color. We can specify the border style and some other important settings. After completion, click on OK to move out from the dialog box and close to move out from the table style dialog box. Once we are done with the insert table option, let us click on OK once again to get the table on the window. We will have to specify the first and second corner for the table. Then start typing the data in it. The first row would be the header one, let's say, and then in the next row, in any of the cell, we can type as per the data we require. Once we click in table, we can type data like this in all the columns and whatever we want. Then we can have several options on its toolbar, like to insert a row, a column, and delete rows and delete columns and others. It can be related to the table and text both. Once we are done, come outside the table. Then we have the block facility in our AutoCAD. Block has two major points. One is create block and another one is insert block. Using create block, we'll create the block. Click on create block. First, give the block name and then click on pick point. Then click on and then select the object you want to create the block for. Press enter and click OK. The block has been created. Now whenever we want to insert this block in other drawings too, we will have to select it from the browse or from this drop down list. Let us select the block we have created and click on OK, and that block can be inserted at any place we want in our drawing. This is how we will use leader, the table and the block in AutoCAD. Thank you.